Morning begins at the pond. Calm water, soft nature sounds, and a peaceful start to the walk. The dogs step into the edge of the pond, curious, alert, exploring the cool morning water. A female Mallard duck glides by with her ducklings, moving gently through the water, undisturbed. The dogs slow down, sniffing the air and listening. Surrounded by birds, frogs, and the quiet rhythm of nature. The duck family continues drifting across the pond. Tiny ducklings staying close, following every turn. A quick glimpse of the dogs again, still exploring, still curious, still looking. Bird life fills the scene. Different calls, movement in the trees, movement in the grasses. You can sense life everywhere you look. A mulberry tree heavy with ripe fruit. Nature's seasonal gift along the trail. A pair of painted turtles just sitting on the log, resting and just chilling away. They don't like movement, do they? Then suddenly drops into the pond as it senses movement nearby. The walk winds down. Dogs beside you. Calm energy. Morning complete. Travel the world overland, one moment
Explore
at a time.
the world,
Follow
one
along.
moment